Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do another makeup tutorial for you guys because I recently got my hands on the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette and I've just been obsessed with it since I got it, and it's perfect for the holiday season, so I thought I'd do a makeup tutorial for you guys. It's got the most gorgeous colors in it, from like light pastel pinks to really deep plum colors. I've had so much fun playing with it, and this is the look I'm going to be doing for you guys today. So if you want to know how I got this look, then keep watching. This video is not sponsored and I have purchased everything you're going to be seeing. I will also pop all the products I use in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. I'm gonna start by priming my eyes using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Caramel, and I'm gonna buff it out with the Sigma E35 brush. Using the same brush, I'm going to sweep the shade Hot Spot all over my eyelids. For my transition color, I'm going to use the shade Juicy and blend it using the Sigma E40 brush.
Told lies. I can only hope that Santa Claus and my...
Using the Sigma E45 brush, I'm going to deepen up my crease with the shade Devilish.
Records agree, then maybe this year Santa's coming home to me.
Using the same brush, I'm going to use the shade Privacy to smoke out the outer corners of my eyes.
I've even made little gingerbread Santas. There's nothing left to chance. This year, Santa's coming home to me.
Going back in with the NARS concealer, I'm going to cut my crease. Using a small flat brush, I'm going to pat the concealer on the edge of my crease and drag the brush down.
Spreading all over town, but of course it's not true. They say Santa ain't coming around. Trust me, I'm waiting up for you, coming down my chimney on Christmas Day. We'll be side by side to see.
I'm going to spray a small flat synthetic brush with the Fix Plus spray to enhance the shimmer shades. Dipping the brush into the shade Bang Bang, I'm going to pat it over the concealer.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment.
Using the same brush, I'm going to blend Bang Bang and Privacy using the shade Ambitious.
Filled with love and joy, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. Making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away.
I'm then going to use the Nars concealer under my eyes, and I'm going to blend it out using a damp beauty blender.
While we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
I'm going to set the concealer using the MERCIER Translucent Loose Setting Powder.
Give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any.
Going back in with Juicy, I'm going to buff it into my lower lash line using a Sigma E55 brush.
Presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful.
Using a mini socket brush, I'm going to smoke out the outer corners of my lower lash line with the shade Privacy.
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree.
Using the NYX Retractable Black Eyeliner, I'm going to tightline my eyes.
Nothing till it's here with me. If you know where it is, please give him a ride. And I will wait here by the candlelight. 'Cause his love is all I need. And my love I can guarantee. So please Santa,
For my lashes, I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Extreme Lash Mascara. Starting at the root, I'm going to twist the brush away from my face.
bring back my love tonight.
going to pop a bit of blush by M.A.C in the shade A Whole Lot of Love on my cheeks.
'Cause all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride. And I will wait here by the candlelight. 'Cause his love is all I need. And my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight. Oh, 'cause his love is.
Using the iconic London's original Illuminator, I'm going to highlight all the high points of my face.
Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride. And I will wait here by the candlelight. 'Cause his love is all I need.
For my lips, I'm going to use the Soft Matte Lip Cream by NYX in the color Leon.
And my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love.
I'm going to finish off this look with M.A.C's Fix Plus Setting Spray. This just melts and infuses all the powders and colors together. So that's the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell so you get notified when I post new videos. I hope you guys have a lovely Christmas and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!